Welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Western schools of philosophy. Previously, we have uploaded the videos on Eastern systems of philosophy like Nyaya philosophy, Yoga philosophy, Sankhya philosophy and Vedanta philosophy. Please kindly watch them. Now, let us come to the class of Western schools of philosophy. In this class, we are going to discuss only the idealism concept. So by this video, we are going to cover the concepts like what is an idealism, who are the chief exponents of idealism, what are the definitions of idealism, what are the principles involved in idealism, what are the types of idealism, educational implications of idealism. First, let us know what is an idealism. The word idealism is derived from the Greek word idea, which simply means something seen or look of something. Idealism is derived from two words, guys, that are idea and ideals. Idealism contends that spiritual aspects are the chief aspects of human life. Contents means argues. So idealism argues that spiritual aspects are the chief important aspects of human life. Idealism is a philosophy of thought. Who are the chief exponents of idealism? See, few of the Western idealists were Plato, René Descartes, George Berkeley, Hegel, Immanuel Kant. Few of the Eastern idealists were Adi Shankaracharya, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, etc. Now let us discuss what are the definitions of idealism. According to Brubaker, idealism is the mind that is central in understanding the world. According to D.M. Datta, idealism holds that ultimate reality is spiritualism. What are the principles of idealism? Come on, let's see. There are two forms of the world, friends. Spiritual world and material world. Spiritual world is more important than the material world. Ideas are more important than objects. Knowledge of mind and soul can be obtained through ideas only. Man is more important than material nature. The prime aim of life is to achieve spiritual values. They are truth, beauty, and goodness. Self-development is much important. Achievement of perfection is the fullest development of the personality of an individual. Idealists believe in the principle of unity in diversity. According to them, implicit in all the diversity is an essential unity. So we all should encourage unity in diversity. What are the types of idealism? Subjective idealism. Leibniz and Berkeley conceived reality in terms of experiences of the individual mind. It concludes that nothing exists in the world apart from our mind. Objective idealism. Immanuel Kant, the founder of objective idealism, presented formalistic or transcendental introspection of the main idealistic principles. Hegel was inspired by Kantian interpretations and he put forward the idea that human world was made up of mind-made objects. Scientific idealism. Scientific idealism was founded by Hermann Cohen. Cohen applied Kant's critical method to humanistic and scientific studies. Ernest Cassirer, who was noted for clear analysis of man, defined scientific idealism as that which creates culture through a unique capacity for symbolic representation. The theistic idealism. It was founded by R.H. Lawes. According to him, all phenomena is found in their unity. The world ground is transcendental synthesis of evolutionary world process, which is both mechanical and theological. This T.H. Green and F.H. Broadley are the followers of R.H. Lawes. Platonism. It is an ancient school of philosophy founded by Plato. Plato believed that his ideas were more real than things. He developed a vision of two worlds, friends. One is a world of unchanging ideas and other world is changing physical objects. According to Plato, truth, beauty, and goodness are eternal values, spiritual values. Truth includes intellectual activities, goodness includes ethics, religion, metaphysics, etc. Beauty includes all the aesthetic activities. Absolutism. It describes a political theory. There are two parts of absolutism, friends. First is the divine right. When a ruler has a divine right, it means that he gets powers from God. The second one, there is a social contract. It is when people give up their rights for security. Berkeleyanism or immaterialism. Berkeley summarized his theory with the motto esse est percipi. It means to be is to be perceived, but he went on to elaborate it with God as the source of consciousness, reality, and other particulars. Panpsychism. It is a philosophy which says that all elements of the material world possesses, however, small degree of consciousness. Panpsychism claims that everything is sentient and that there are either many separate minds or one single mind that unites everything that is. Personalism. Personalism is the school of thought that consists of three main principles and which can broadly qualified as pieces of humanism. What are the three main principles are? Only persons are real, only persons have value, and only persons have free will. Finally, let us conclude this video by discussing educational implications of idealism. First, what are the aims of education? Self-realization, development of willpower, to cultivate truth, beauty, and goodness, preparation of holy life, development of intelligence and rationality, universal education, to discover and develop each individual's abilities. Yes. Next, idealism and curriculum. The curriculum must include those subjects which are essential for the realization of mental and moral development of individual. The curriculum emphasizes is the subject matter of mind, literature, language, history, philosophy, and religion. These all should be included. The subjects should also provide one individual with culture and they should be mandated for all peoples. Moreover, the subject matter should be kept constant for all. See, according to Ross scheme, a complete curriculum in the light of idealism was divided into two educational parts. One is spiritual activities, other is physical activities. Under spiritual activities of curriculum, they should include intellectual, moral, religious, aesthetic development. And the second part, physical activities curriculum should include the care of the body and their skills. Next, idealism and teaching method. The teaching methods according to idealism must encourage the acquisition of facts. It is not sufficient to teach peoples how to think. It is very important that teachers teach peoples think what about to be factual. See, according to idealism teaching methods, Froebel, an idealist philosopher, regarded teaching method as self-stimulated activity or self-activity. According to Pestology, an idealistic teaching method should be in harmony with the development of mind. And this person, Pestology, called the method of acquiring knowledge as Anschauung. Next, idealism and teacher. Idealists have high expectations of the teacher. The teacher must be excellent in order to serve as an example for the student, both intellectually and morally. The teacher must also exercise great creativity skills in providing opportunities for all the learners and their minds to discover, to analyze, to unity, to synthesize, and to create applications of knowledge to their life and behavior. According to the idealist, teacher occupies the highest place in the process of education. The function of the teacher is to awaken the innate powers of the child. The true teacher destroys the ignorance of the disciple. Disciple in the sense people, students. And according to idealism, teacher guides the student, takes the student from darkness to light, gives real knowledge, and builds the total and sound personality. In the words of Sri Aurobindo, he is a man. He is in the sense teacher. Teacher is a man helping his brothers, a child leading other children, a light kindling other lights, an awakened soul awaking other souls. It is very rhyming, good rhyming, right? In words of Mahatma Gandhi, education of the hair could only be the tone through the living touch of the teacher. Very nice descriptions of both Sir Aurobindo and Mahatma Gandhi. Next, finally, idealism and discipline. The idealism says that the student role is passive. The student is obedient and should have disciplinary attitude. The student should be always controlled by the teacher and follow the instructions strictly. The modern idealists accept the physical and mental differences among the children. While affecting the development in the children, their mental and physical development, interests, attitudes, and needs should be kept in view. In their view, true discipline is being guided by the soul and the beliefs inner discipline. Idealists does not favor free discipline. They believe in strict discipline of the peoples. The teacher should impose discipline upon the peoples and try to prepare an environment which will help them to realize the higher shelves of life through self-discipline. So finally friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment. And I am signing off. Keep watching.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching Channel.